Ever wondered why argon, an inert gas, plays a crucial role in welding? Today, we unravel the intrigue of argon welding, a process that's as fascinating as it is essential. Argon welding, also known as gas tungsten arc welding or GTAR, relies heavily on argon, an inert gas. Now, when we say inert, we're referring to argon's lack of chemical reactivity. It doesn't readily engage in chemical reactions, and in the world of welding, that's a big deal. You see, when you're fusing metal pieces together, the last thing you want is unwanted chemical reactions muddying the waters. That's where argon comes in. With its unreactive nature, argon provides a protective shield around the weld area, preventing any other gases in the atmosphere from interfering with the welding process. It's like a guardian angel for your weld, ensuring the purity and strength of the bond. Now that we've whetted your curiosity, let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of argon welding. Argon welding might seem complex, but when broken down, it's a series of manageable steps. Our journey into the world of argon welding starts with the preparation of the workpiece. This step is crucial, as it sets the foundation for the rest of the process. It involves cleaning the piece to remove any dirt, oil, or rust that could potentially interfere with the welding. Depending on the material, this could be as simple as wiping it down with a cloth, or it might involve using a grinder or sandpaper to create a smooth, clean surface. Next, we move on to setting up the gas cylinder. Now, this is where argon comes into the picture. You see, argon is an inert gas, meaning it doesn't react with other elements. This makes it perfect for shielding the weld area from atmospheric gases like oxygen and nitrogen, which can cause porosity and weaken the weld if they come into contact with the molten metal. The cylinder should be securely fastened, and the flow rate of the argon gas set according to the type of metal and the thickness of the workpiece. Now we're ready for the actual welding. This involves creating an electrical arc between the workpiece and the tungsten electrode in the welding torch. The heat from the arc melts the workpiece, and the molten metal pools together to form the weld. It's a delicate dance of control and precision, guided by the steady hand of the welder. But let's not forget about safety. Throughout the entire process, it's important to wear the right protective gear, like a welding helmet to shield your eyes from the intense light and gloves to protect your hands from the heat. And of course, always work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling any potentially harmful fumes. And there you have it. The process of argon welding broken down into simple, digestible steps. We've covered a lot today, so let's quickly recap. Argon welding, a captivating process, has been the focus of our discourse today. This technique, which leverages the unique properties of argon, an inert gas, is a critical part of the welding world. To start, we dove deep into the intrigue of argon welding, elucidating why it's such a crucial part of the welding landscape. Argon, an inert gas, is the star of this process. Its unreactive nature underpins the stability and strength of the welds, ensuring they can withstand the test of time and external forces. We then moved on to the steps of argon welding, a process that, while intricate, can be mastered with patience and practice. We began with the setup, highlighting the importance of a clean workspace and the right equipment. Then the gas flow was set, ensuring the correct amount of argon is used for the ideal weld. We touched on the importance of striking the arc correctly, maintaining a steady hand, and the role of the filler metal in creating solid, durable welds. Safety, a paramount concern in any welding process, was a recurring theme throughout. The necessity for protective gear, from helmets to gloves, can't be overstated. Ensuring a well-ventilated workspace and practicing proper handling techniques are all part of keeping you safe while you create. In the end, argon welding is an art, a dance of science and skill that results in creations that are as functional as they are beautiful. The process may seem daunting at first glance, but with knowledge, practice, and a safety-first mindset, it's a skill that's within anyone's grasp. So as we conclude, remember the importance of argon, the steps to a successful weld, and the critical importance of safety. And most importantly, remember that every welder started somewhere. Each weld is a step on the journey to mastery. With knowledge and practice, you too can master the art of argon welding. Remember, safety first and happy welding.